This video shows the installation of extra mandrels when inner coil diameter is from 530 to 550 millimeters. This is the uncoiler, which has the total height of 1,570 millimeters. We have marked it here 1570 for easy recognition. We have equipped the machine with 3 extra supported mandrels. They are used when the coils have inner diameter from above 500 millimeters to 550 millimeters. If the inner coil diameter is 450 to 530 millimeters, we take out these extra mandrels. It is very easy to take out the supporting mandrels. Use hexagon to take the bolts out.